Have you ever wondered why one short video suddenly reaches people you have never met, while another one quietly disappears? Not because it was good or bad, not because of luck, but because it passed through a system that most creators never see. Today, we are not talking about growth tricks. We are talking about understanding how the Shorts feed actually works behind the screen. In this video, we will calmly understand the basic system design of the YouTube Shorts feed. We will explain how a Shorts idea, or a simple sketch, moves through databases, recommendation logic, and fast-loading architecture, and slowly becomes a video shown to millions of users. This is not about hacks. This is about understanding the system itself. Let's start from the very beginning. When you upload a YouTube Short, YouTube does not see it as content or creativity. It sees it as data. Your video becomes a digital object stored inside YouTube's system. That system is built to answer one question: what should we show this user next? Every swipe on the Shorts feed is a decision, and that decision must happen instantly. So YouTube needs three things to work together smoothly: storage, understanding, and delivery. First is storage. Every short is saved inside massive databases. These databases do not just store the video file, they also store information around it. Things like what the video is about, how long people watch, whether viewers swipe away or stay, how different people react to it. This information is updated continuously. Second is understanding. YouTube does not judge videos emotionally. It looks for patterns. It watches how small groups of users interact with a short, not to reward the creator, but to understand viewer behavior. If certain viewers pause, rewatch, or don't swipe immediately, the system learns something. If other viewers swipe away quickly, it learns something else. No decision is final. Everything is feedback. Third is delivery. The Shorts feed must load instantly. If a video takes time to load, users leave, so YouTube prioritizes speed. Your video is copied and placed closer to users around the world using fast delivery systems. This way, when someone opens the app, the video appears instantly. Speed is not a bonus. Speed is survival for the platform. Think of the Short system like a highway traffic system. Your video is a car entering the highway. The database is the parking area where cars wait. The recommendation system is the traffic control center. And the delivery system is the road network itself. The traffic system does not care who owns the car. It only cares about flow. If a road becomes crowded or slow, traffic is redirected. If a road is smooth and fast, more cars are centered there. Similarly, shorts that keep users watching are routed to more people, not as a reward, but to keep the entire system moving smoothly. This understanding changes how we think as creators. Instead of asking, why didn't my video go viral? We can gently ask, what did the system learn from how people watch this? The Shorts feed is not emotional. It is patient. It absorbs quietly over time. This means one video does not define you. One upload does not decide your future. The system values consistency, clarity, and viewer experience more than sudden spikes. When you stop fighting the system and start understanding it, content creation feels calmer, less pressure, more awareness. This is for educational purposes only. The Shorts feed is not magic. It is a carefully designed system built on data, patterns, and fast delivery. Every short moves from a simple idea to a scalable system through storage, understanding, and distribution. When you understand this, you stop chasing outcomes and start respecting the process. If this explanation helped you see the Short system more clearly, please like this video. Your one like genuinely motivates me to create better, clearer, and more valuable educational content for you. Thank you for watching.